Mamema wakwaba emfa umbra GCN page so mesro na wa subscribe to my channel na do nsa enia bell ne so ube ya notification ene sa ne news e de betum bia ubenye bia tie anasa ubenye bia hwe ewo GCN page hamidin e de adwoa searchi Afia Pokia Vim Lady eye journalist ewo Ghana hanom na Afia Pokia eye obi ankrofo bebre epenasem bebre nso empenasem because of adwuma oyenti na she is one of the journalists from Ghana hanoma. Personally I like her because oyobi a oka no kware say asemba Ghana hanom na oka onka mfema NPP ena onka mfema NDC oka no as it is eye fact na oka ne te said de te pepepepepepepe Afia Pokia eyobi a me penasem ye papa na Afia Pokia ena oka say edensem ena oka ne nsem a oka nyina ne say Ghana youth no pressure na mode ema eye his excellency na nado danko Akufo Addo ena NPP amayoko no eye papa mo amma na nado pressure ena sisie no eniama ededa na kwem pressure mode ma na nado sisie oye no wate so ena bibia eye kama ye papa na Afia Pokia kire say youth no de moye no eye se eye abatudu ne ye kwakoto aba eye 2020 7th December aye kwato abe onkwa na wukogina eye ballot box ni mu edu kokomboti etimi so eto aba onim sa wotoma na nado sa wotoma eye omanpani dada his excellency John Dramani Mahama onim enti sa woto aba ni wie na se niam enkoye a memfa wo pressure ana memfa wasem enko journalist bias wo Ghana hanom ana enfa wani nto media house bias e ba be kan wasem ama dabi wana wokoto waba enti pressure bi ese wana wo de ma any demonstration a ese ye na kese na government no eti enti Afia Pokia kire se de ye no ena ne na mmome no se ye ka asem na memma na ye nka na enye se de se bio Captain Smart ejina TV so a oye no na the way Afia Pokia eka no I think say no odidi agro but ho na me so me pese me gina Captain Smart se bio onye blogger oye journalist na journalist na utumi ejina TV so na o kensem chese ensem a Captain Smart o ken na ya bufu sem a chese enter youth no ekọ youth ni yentiri me betume de entokwa anase basabasa ye Ghana hanom of course enyama bebre ekoso wo man mu a enye but as journalist no ese wo fa kwan bi so na wo ka wo gina TV so ese wo ka ne ye because ye na ye wanse na ye ni madwuma ekoso na anase ye ni nyama ekoso wo mpanifo na afemi no obi wo hodo ma wo ye journalist na wo gina TV so na wo kasa no onim se wonim bibia onim se de ekoso wo politicians no afemi na nsem ekoso wo Ghana hanom na wonim into the moment a wo ba gina TV so ebe ka ensem a eye ya no ekom mu yiye because omo nim se nsem a wo ka no no kware enti no anka wakoye journalist wo be gina TV so a anka sem no be ka ne yiye se na ebe ya ebe kwa government ni ho na what citizens no yensu hwe no mo aye Captain Smart de dabi obegina TV so ensama kese a ebetume de ntokwa benkwa na Captain Smart oka eno so ba ne sa enye bloggers na se bi omutumi yesa because blogger do ye blogger ono ye friend say excuse me or normal and or kasa but who Captain Smart no nya blogger o ye journalist ti say obetina TV so na okeka nsem e de bofu beba aya na enhyeda enko yesa enti Afia Pokia etufu na o chese youth no sisi mu wo pressure bi esa government na mudi gu ne so se na ebe ya obetoto eniema ye na emom se mo ka ensem na mo hwe ne ye na mo anko ne ti se de Captain Smart okono no Afia Pokia agru na odidi ana se eye statement bi ene betwe mo ka ne keke but ho nso e na ye gina so ya ka che Captain Smart se de oye no bi anka se eniema enko ye wo Ghana ha no amema na onka na emom onka ne ye se na ebe ya ede abotoyem ebeba na se ede nkunimde ebeba de wugina TV so ya gidigidi na do otekura onye because wo ye ne hu aha enti no ayeya no na hash words a ede ntokwa beba no ese ye na ye hwe ne ye enti nsem we na Afia Pokia ede etudwa
national mo call offensive police headquarters yes we are yes person Ghana yes Singapore ye we are yes person Ghana yes Dubai ye we are yes person Ghana yes Malaysia we the citizens must be ready. And that is why I like pressure now for the man President Akufo Addo. No pressure no call President Akufo Addo tiri won keke. Senka President Akufo Addo ni tiri sakora no obi a owo mi an kebetutu. Pressure no call no so and that's how it should be. So what to about we are men trying media. And you are not talking about government. And the media, you are not talking about corruption. Now, I'm going to Abanama. Nonsense. Moyama me fire number. A year ago this week, people were in queue. Man, pushing to vote. Man, ye eshi rado. Eyezu, eyeza. Yani ekosa alai mamo. So who ye now to abe we now who say abina your 419 see one time frakadama ma pressure and let the president listen. To say the say on Akufo Addo tieno wa other go for so monte petrol to suspect. Give the president pressure. Nyam me number my president pressure amount. Of course, media need the say you be demanding accountability. But you do man be do baby. You the citizens have a role to play to demand accountability for the votes that you cast. And more importantly, you vote because you have a responsibility as a citizen to demand accountability for your taxes. Because me jina hey ya to abey 2020 about to ejina TV so na de chin ye tumi agoto abani bi me man to be. And for most part of my career every election year bia me ye adwuma nti me to be. Every election into wo koto ye no. Muko jina ho ye eshi rado for more for nana eyezu eyeza. Oh yeah me na me to ma o. Waso be ye she rough. Me na me to ma o eyezu eyeza for more for nana John 3:16 onapo. Now, a year ago this week, if you had the balls, if you had the audacity, if you had the vim to exercise your right given to you under the constitution, but your fasa vim no, fasa balls no, fasa kukudo no, chase nanado, chase President Akufo Addo. What you say on the Joe tax? Chase him to give you accountability. But I'm saying that chase him say use the same constitution that man right to vote to demand accountability. Because our constitution also say the president is accountable to you. All the institutions are president more to be accountable to you. For the blame my leaders no leaders no Ghana for now so me blame you better videos be a year ago today this week. By this time, a year ago, by this time, I'm a vim lady. Many yakramo, a jacquabno, even Dr. Father Dixon, 1 week near night. A year ago today, near city pet, counting people's ballots. But Ghana for now, sorry, we are blaming and the media for now. We want to blame everybody else but ourselves. Yet we should be ready to follow the laws, not Dubai for one. Yeah, person Ghana yet to say Dubai. We should be ready to follow the laws now Dubai for one. We should be ready to follow the laws now Singapore. One now the chewing to from Quebec. Ghana coach and I was Ay3ka. So MP. So the police work watching. Who the obehu? Yet you be Ghana crying and then watching a party full soldiers. So my march no more call a friends police headquarters. Yes, we are a person Ghana, yes, Singapore. We are a person Ghana, yes, Dubai. We are a person Ghana, yes, Malaysia. We, the citizens, must be ready. And that is why I like pressure now for the President Akufo Addo. No pressure no President Akufo Addo tiri keke. Senka President Akufo Addo ni tiri sakora no obi or me and kebetutu. Pressure no kono so. And that's how we Dr. Bako Bekasa, Dr. Niamu Daku Australia. Or no what church sister was study Ghana system. Now Dr. Nia was saying just say or level BIB. And Dr. Niamu Daku was telling me about say President Rawlings by na Ghana constitution no kwa di 79 na ye. And obey two constitution. And or the 1992 the ejay. Meanwhile this 1992 ye. And then the Ghana for their slogan no munyina to na change the constitution. Change the constitution. The constitution is not good because President Rawlings no. And then the Article 71 the share constitution him. Ebe ye say 4 years CBI e beto susu. Near the Article 71 for. Minu mienu yenka hon. Judge for ka hon. First politicians or ministers or moka hon. Members of parliament or moka hon. Electoral commission for eka hon. Auditor general need those senior government appointees or moka hon. The question is yeko yenimuno. Ghana yeko yenimuno. Will this constitution take us there? And then we BP we need if we say 4 years, 4 years, 4 years, no more 4 years, 4 years, and did this. President Akufo and I am Yakupon Inshraman because and I President Akufo birthday. I just said President Akufo Yakupon Sha no man quatinting. Now one of the very loved president our bet now my Ghana so penny President Akufo. President Akufo be fia konya so no kan asem bi say 4 years MYA Ghana for antenna say all be can no na go so men fi Akufo per se and constitution